Here we've got LG Q60, and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then go to the sound, and now click on ringtone. And here we've got the whole list of ringtones that you can apply. Let me check it with Life's Good at first. And then just pick the one that you would like to apply, for example, Kitty, tap on OK, and as you can see, it has been changed. So this is it, that will be all. This is how you can change ringtone on your LG. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.